Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. I have run out of catchy book jackets to paraphrase from Lemony Snicket to tell you how terrible this video is going to be, but it will be filled with misfortune and woe. Obviously today we're back with Esme Squalor. This is from the first part of the Grim Grotto when she and Count Olaf and the others are attempting to rent a submarine to cause more misery to the Baudelaire orphans. So let's get started on our Esme Squalor Grim Grotto Part 1 look. I apologize if you hear the compressor kick in my air conditioning, but if I didn't have it on, it'd be like 1,000 degrees in here. So let's get started on our Esme Grim Grotto makeup look. So I've already started things with NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. And I'm going to take this blue shade. This is from NYX Avant Pop palette. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner, sort of 1/3 of the eye. Then I'm going to take a peach shade. This one's also in the NYX palette. And we're going to put that sort of in the center of the eye. And it's going to sort of be a transition shade for the red we're going to use in a little bit. Then we're going to take a red shadow. This is also from NYX, Primal Colors. It's the color Hot Red. And we're going to sort of put it just along the outer V of the eye and then blend it up into the crease. It looks like she has a little bit of brown that goes just around the corner. So I'm going to take the shade Backdoor from Urban Decay and put that there. Now of course we have some blending to do. Then take a shimmery white, this one is Polyester Bride from Urban Decay, and put that on the brow bone. Then taking a black eyeliner, this one's from Mellow Cosmetics, just run that along the top lash line. We're going to take a white eyeliner and run that through the lower waterline. And take a black eyeshadow on an angled brush. This one is Blackout from Urban Decay. And run that tightly along the lower lash line. Then we're going to go back in with the blue eyeshadow and run it along the lash line. Take this little mascara from Lancôme and put it on the top and bottom lashes. For my least favorite part, because I'm so bad at it, false lashes. These are natural lashes from e.l.f. Whew, that was too much of an ordeal to make you sit through. I started watering, it was a mess. But those are the lashes. So then let's just take a little bit of vanilla pigment from MAC and put that in the inner corners. So then I'm going to take this contour shade here from NYX and run it just under the cheekbone. Then we're going to take this highlighter shade from NYX and put that down the nose, under the eyes, on top of the cheekbone. We're going to go in with a little bit of pink blush, this one's from L'Oreal, and just hit the apples. Then we're going to take a shade of liquid lipstick from NYX Liquid Suede. These both are pretty close. One is the shade Life's a Beach, the other is Foiled Again. But I'm going to mix them together and get a custom shade to get as close to Esme's lip color as possible. Almost perfect lip shade. It was just like a swipe of each on my arm and I mixed it together. So here we have our finished Esme Squalor Happy Family look from the Grim Grotto. To complete the look, you need some huge sunglasses. But you can't really see the eye makeup then. And a captain's hat. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching my unfortunate video. Stay tuned for more fun makeup, more reviews, much more to come. I will see you next time. Bye!